Gregory, talk for me.
Oh, hello. This is the dog in the pool. She just jumped right in. She's so cute. Oh, look, she tried to climb on top of Mama. Oh, hello, puppy. Oh, hello.
Okay,
Yes, you're so cute.
Okay.
Here, does doggy need a towel? I think the dog wants a towel. Here you go. Oh, the jets.
Oh, now push buttons.
Oh, she's shivering. This will go right to YouTube.
Minus 4 degrees.
Yes. Dog's not so smart.
Oh, and I put
You put the towel in the water. We might as well sit in the hot tub now, the three of us.
okay. Just take her in the house.